Assalamu alaikum. Guys, today's session include following topic. First topic is the full joining of two dataset by two or more column. And second one is the left joining. And third is the right joining of the two or more dataset. And fourth one is the common joining, which is the method in which we get the common dataset from the two or more dataset. And fifth one is the uncommon joining, in which we join two or more dataset and get uncommon data from both these two datasets. Next one is the joining by two column. If we want to join the two dataset on the basis of two or more column, you can also join. Similarly, seventh one is the joining by all column, and if you want to join the dataset two or more dataset by all column, we can also join. And last one is the multiple joining. If we want to join the multiple dataset by all column, we can also join this data. We move to the our visual representation of this joining. For example, here my first topic, which is the full joining of the two dataset. Full joining is the method in which we want to retain the both dataset in our final required result. For example, here is my left dataset, which is named as X, and this is my second dataset, which is named as Y. And I want to join these both dataset and want to get the required in such a form. To get this result in R, I have code here. Here is my same dataset X and Y, and this is a code of the full joining. Right, full join, and here is my first data, here is my second data, and I am going to merge or join the two dataset X and Y on the basis of ID. As I have shown you, this is my ID variable, and I want to join these both dataset on the basis of ID variables. I have written basically two methods for each joining. In first method I use dplyr command, and in second method I use merge command. Both method will give same result. When I run this command, I get same result, which I have shown you here. Similarly, my next topic is the left join. For example, here I have left data and here is my right data, and I want to join both dataset in such a way that in final product I want to retain the left data and I want to attach the relevant right dataset with left data. To get such type of result in R, I have left command using dplyr. Here is a left command using dplyr, which is a method 1, and here is the merge command for method 2. Similarly, here is my third one type of joining, which is the right joining, and in this method I want to join two dataset and I want to retain the right dataset and its relevant left dataset with right. To get such required form of the dataset in R, I have a right joining command here for the method 1, and this is a merge command for the joining for the method 2. Similarly, if I want to join two dataset, first data and second data, in such a way that I just get common dataset in both data. To get this common data from the both dataset, I have commands in R. This is my data, and here is my first command, and this is my second command. In the 5 type of joining, I have two dataset, X data and Y data, and I want to retain just uncommon dataset from the both data. To get this result in R, I have commands for anti-join. Here is a command of anti-join. When I run, I will get same result which I have shown you on Excel. In 6 type of joining, I have first dataset and I have second dataset, and I want to join both dataset on the basis of two column, and I want to get the result in this form. To get this result in R, I have commands here. This is my first data, this is my second data. I want to join both data set on the basis of two columns. In commands, I have written the names of both columns. This is a command to get the result. In the seventh type of joinings, I want to join the two data set by all column and gonna retain the both data set. For example, this is my first data and this is my second data, and I want to join both data set on the basis of all columns, and I want to get required result in this form. This command of joining on the basis of all column. When I run this command, I will get same result which I have shown you in Excel. In the final type of joining, I have multiple data set. For example, here I have three data set, data X, data Y, and here is my data Z. And I want to join all data set on the basis of all column, and my required result should be in this form. To get this result in R, I have this command. For example, here is my X data, here is my Y, and this is my Z data. And first of all, I will make the list for all these data. Then I will upload the library of reshape. And finally, this is a command to merge all data set. When I run this command, I get my required result here. So guys, this is the end of my today's session. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe this channel to watch more videos. Allah Hafiz.